Hello, Zulu traders. I want to give you an overview of my strategy so you can you can make decisions based on well, you can make informed decisions. My strategy it's called trading awareness and structure, and I have four components that I use to decide what to trade and when to trade. Those four components are risk management, where I analyze how much I will risk on each trade. The next component is the setup, which is based on awareness and structure. Basically, look at various market correlations and then analyze the structure of a particular currency pair. And then I go back to the awareness, to correlations, and see if it makes sense, my analysis. And that usually gives me some probable moves that the market will make. Here we're looking at the dollar index. And then the third part of my of the third component would be my trigger setup. It's a setup made on lower time frames, but basically I look to trade reversals, reversals in the way of the major trend. So here I I wouldn't go short using this strategy. I would wait for it to go down to 4 and then trade long. And this is what I'm going to show you on several charts. And then the fourth component of my strategy is the results analyzing, the analyzing the results and using that analysis to improve risk management and future setups. As I said, this trading awareness and structure is my trend following strategy, and it's a strategy that in several cases helps me to wait for the perfect setup, and that wait will last. Sometimes it may last a month. The trades, they all last several months or several weeks, depending on sorry, depending on the movement. I usually go adding along the way. I wanted to show you, just in case you're following me and you see I haven't made any new trades. Sorry. In case you're following me and you think, well, this guy hasn't put on any trades for a couple of days or for 3 days or whatever, well, I'm waiting for the perfect setup. I do have several trades running usually at the time. They usually last, so if imagine you start following tomorrow, doesn't mean we'll have a new trade. Sorry. So imagine you start following me today. It doesn't mean I'm going to have a new trade today or tomorrow or even the day after. It does mean that the one that we get into, it's a good risk reward trade, and there's a good probability it goes our way. So this just for you guys to get an idea, this would be the daily chart. I thought it looked to me like here we'd had a reversal. This was December. This was around the end of December, and now we're halfway through February. So a month and a half has passed, and what happened since then was this. So if I was to take this trade, I would have waited about a month to get there. Another one, also daily chart, and I saw, well, first of all, I wanted to show you that it is me. These charts are mine. You can see here the picture on my this profile, and well, it may not be the exact picture I have on my Zulu platform, but well, it's the same guy, it's me. Here on Dow Jones Industrials, I saw the price compressing. This was before elections, right before elections. You see 11, you can see here on the bottom, November. We were on the beginning of November, and I was waiting for this compression to end. It didn't have much longer to go, but it did compress more and more, and now we're up there. It was compressing, and these were published charts, and then now we're here, so now I'm waiting for a correction. Another one, natural gas. This is an uptrend. I thought the price would go down here and then would look for a long move, and well, it's what it did. Didn't go to the C point, but it did reverse, and now as you see, we're starting to move up. S&P, well, I thought it would go up here. I thought it would do this move. It didn't do exactly this move, but it did go to my area there. See, let's see gold. Here, analyzing the structure and the awareness I spoke of. This was silver actually. I thought that this would be probably the last bounce on this channel before a move up, and then there you go. I thought it would go to this green line, and it did go to that green line, and then it passed. This is an old one, but one that I did take, and I did add several positions along the way. So this is an amazing trade. This is 6 months ago. We had here a perfect ABCD pattern. Well, these are alarms on my trading platform. Sorry about that. Well, we had here an ABC pattern and a harmonic bearish butterfly pattern here. Everything was telling me it would go down. I thought there was going to be some support there and then go down. So if I entered there as I did, this would be a good area to expect a bounce and add to the position. And it was an amazing trade. I actually kept taking moving my target away because well, by here structure had given me another target, and this was a wave 2, so I was trading a wave 3, so I ended up taking my profit there on the green line. It was amazing trade. Another one, euro pound. This was after the Brexit, I think. Well, this was my target there. I was waiting for another bounce. This is 5 months ago. I can't remember if I was already in this trade by here or not. I can't remember that. Or if I had it somewhere around here. But I was waiting for a hit on this trend line and then move to the green line. And well, it did move, did bounce, did go there. And as you see, if I entered here, you can see the date on the 22nd of September, and I'd exit, let's say here, on the 6th of October. Well, we have a month of trading, not a month, but a couple of weeks of trading here, and sometimes the trades last longer. So this was another one 6 months ago. Well, I hope this. No, I'm not explaining the setup, but I just want to show you that if trades last a long time, it's because we're looking for the whole swing. Here it broke, it retested this line. If you extend this line, it retested this line, and then it went down to my green line there. Another one, this was an amazing trade. I got out here at around 3. Well, once again, we had a Gartley pattern, ABC, perfect ABC. I thought there was going to be a bounce out of this green zone, and there it went. Wave 1, wave 2. This was elections. Wave 3 didn't go up there. I know that I exited around here. When I trailed my stop, I exited around here. Another one. Well, I was setting this up to this little video, so some of them have loaded charts, loaded new bars. But well, I had here the end of a structure. I expected the move down on this bigger channel. There you see the black dashed lines, and it did here double top, more or less double top, and then the big move down. I was looking for the end of this correction move, this ABC pattern, and it ended up going almost there. So and now the move up would be expected, some correction. And well, the strategy works on anything. I mean, we saw the dollar index, we saw Dow Jones, we saw S&P, we saw gas, we saw silver, we saw currencies. Here we have Bitcoin, Euro, another price compression here, and well, there you go. It went over the point. Another ABC pattern. I like to look for harmonic patterns in the structure. So there you go, the break, the retest, just as we saw, and then the bounce to our zone. Another channel. I was just looking for a big move, and there you had a big move. Now it's going sideways here. Eventually we'll go there. And another one, last one, again a harmonic pattern at the end of a correction, a channel compression, which usually is accumulation zones, and then the move up. This, imagine we enter somewhere around here at the beginning of the year. Now we're halfway. Well, this doesn't go to today, but now we're halfway through February. So this trade may take a couple of months, but as long as I have if I'm following my risk management rules and I have profit locked in, and my stops are all in profit, and I'm allowed by my rules to risk money that I have already locked in, I'll keep adding on to the positions. So if my trades last long, it's because we're going for the whole move. So hope it fits your trading style. Bye.